How y'all doing today? Today I'm gonna be working on this M3 E46, and I'm gonna be changing out the shifter and putting a short shifter. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. Most of the stuff I pulled down a lot of stuff already, but I'm gonna just get right into it. So how I did. I started removing, dropped this down. I put the bolts back in just to make sure I don't lose them. I already took this off. Weevo took it off. I already have it here. So that's was removed to get that little more space out of my way. So, and drop down a little. So this is good where I have it now. So it has a little clip on here. I have to take that clip off. Get a better picture of it. I take that clip off, and then there's another clip right here. There we go. Got to get that one off, and then behind here is another. I don't know if I should be able to get in there. And I have to take that off. I'll show you once I get it off to see exactly what I'm doing, and then pull this out. So by removing this. You see this? This is what it looks like. You put it off to the side. Just slide back on here, and it has a little container that's grabbing and holds it in place. Just a little washer. Make sure you put this washer back on. You see there's a second washer on the other side of it. See the orientation of how this arm it bends down, not like a C, but it just curves down. So remember how to put it back on like that. Here I'm going to pull this, try to get this other clip off. Right here, I'm going to pull this out. Remember that there is a washer on both sides. Grab that washer. Let's put them together for now. Here's the other part where you have to reach in here, and there's a little piece that slides over. You have to. Can't really see it on this. You have to push it off. So I use a screwdriver to pull this off. See if we can. Right there. Right there. So pull this off. And now I'm gonna just remove it. And this should just come right out. Pull this out. now I'm gonna go up top, which I should have yanked it off before. But I'm gonna take this piece off. So the person before never hooked this back up. So this should have been hooked up. It's the illuminating wire. So I'll go up top and pull that off.
What I'm gonna do is just pull on this, and it's a different boot, not the same boot. So I'm gonna pull on this and just grab it out, but it just came right out.
All right, this orientation, how it's set up. So this part goes up in the front, and this part is in the back. And you see how it's curved. So I'm gonna pull it out and put the next one in. And just put it pretty much the same way it was. All right, so I pushed it back up in there. Make sure that's facing forward. And I'm gonna hook up this wire back up later. That's the illuminated wire. And now I'm gonna start putting everything back together.